This year trading has been completely different, all because of this one word, tariffs. Yes, I understand it is hurting the markets up and down and giving us a lot of volatility. But now we're in a stage where tariffs uncertainty is coming away from the markets, right? If you look at the stock markets, in the beginning of the year, everybody's was complete fear, massive downside. But ever since April, we've been seeing the rise in the stock markets, right? Showing that uncertainty is moving away. But now we have to pay attention to these key countries, Canada, Europe, Japan, and China. If we see that tariff headlines now is becoming more and more positive, that's going to be more optimistic for the markets. There's not going to be no reason for investors to be wanting to go and flee to safe havens because we're seeing a lot of positivity coming from this. But if we get negative headlines from key places like China, that's a big one. That will definitely impact the markets. That would impact trade globally. So that's where you're going to be expecting investors to go into safe havens like gold and wanting to short US equities, as that could raise more conflict. So continuations on paying attention to these tariff headlines. If things like headlines is coming out positive, not seeing no negative news. Donald Trump is keeping that positivity. We don't hear any retaliation. Understand this is what is causing gold to push lower, and we also going to see equities rise. But if we start seeing retaliations, more negative news with those countries, expect downside in the stock market. So this is what I pay attention to every single day. If you guys are struggling when it comes to tariffs, in the comments below, comment group, and I'll give you guys some details to help you trade more successfully.